Hi guys, today I'm going to show you some samples of my paintings of Valentines that I made for my friends. So we'll need paints, you see over here, and some brushes, a paper, canvas, and sellotape, pencil, scissors, and glitter paint. We are gonna make this pattern, and here's the heart ready. You'll just have to stick it on the canvas. And done. So I'm thinking to do the heart red. Do you think that will be a great idea? Okay, let's start. Just don't do it under the heart. Done. The heart is ready now, so let's put some dots. What color you may prefer, I'm thinking. I think blue. And make it in a ball shape. Or maybe over here and here. Do you think you want green next? Yeah. Do. It looks perfect. So like this, we are gonna spread it around, and then after it's all done, we'll see how the heart turns out. It only has a color. Oh, I'll take blue. Dark blue. All the dots are done while you were waiting, so let's see how the heart turns out. It's beautiful. Do you like it? Does it look nice? Next, I'm gonna tell you the ones that are already ready. I'll just keep that there. So this one, I liked it the same as this, but I just did a different thing to do. I write in love. That's a way to do, and how I did that, we cut it out the love, and then we put L, but there was no O. We made a heart to be the O for love. So and then we put dots around. So now I'll tell you about this one. We already know these. So this one is the one, so you have a brush and then how you paint them. Actually, we are gonna flutter the little feathers, and then we'll do, this is called spray painting. You could dip the brush in the color, then spray all around. So, and then we did the hearts. And You could make it big spray, big dots around of the spray painting like my mom did, but I did little dots. And for this one, it's very easy, but be careful to not put it under the heart. So you have to just make a line and color it. Make a line and color it. Just copy the same thing for that one. So we only know some. This one is a little hard for me. Well, I tried it and I did it my best. So we put tape and then the fat colors. So there was some space I colored them in, and when we removed the tape, we did a color. So there was no white space on our canvas. And for this one, it's really fun. You took the brush and then you make a little box. Take a brush and make a box. But you take different colors. And this one, I didn't want to make it. Well, I did some spray painting and then I did some big circles on it. And this one is the last one, I think. This one, we write love at the same thing as that one, but then we colored each box in different colors, like that. So, if you want to have more fun, keep watching my videos. Fun Works videos.